crafties, welcome to another Tunisian Tuesday. My name is Infiniti and today I am here with another awesome tutorial. So today's tutorial is going to be fairly short. I just want to show you guys how to cast off purlwise, which is super easy, easier than it sounds. So what I want to do is actually do my returning pass on this little swatch here really quick, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how to cast off. Okay guys, so say you have this extensive and gorgeous project that you've just worked in a bunch of purl or similar stitches, and you want to make that edging look really finished and awesome, and the regular slip stitching doesn't work for you. Well, what you're going to do is once you get to the point where you're ready to cast off, you're going to bring your yarn to the front. You're going to insert your hook in that front loop on the second stitch as normal. And you are going to, I like to call this a false purl, but what you're going to do is bring that yarn through those loops as though you're going to purl and just slip stitch. Okay? And what that does, it gives us this little bump that looks like a purl bump or a purl head. And that's what you want. So I'm going to do it again. Bring my yarn to the front. I'm going to insert my hook. I'm going to bring my yarn around that little bar, and I'm going to yarn over, and I'm just going to slip stitch through both of those stitches. And I'm going to do that across this entire row. And I recommend having light tension when you do this, and that way it doesn't create that odd little curve in your Tunisian stitches, because it's so easy to do. And in that last stitch, I'm still going to bring my yarn forward, insert my hook, yarn over, oops, and slip stitch. Alright, and now I'm free to bind off if I want to, which I suppose I will. Move my yarn to the side. Alright, this has been a technique tutorial, I think. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If so, leave me a thumbs up. It helps YouTube to recommend my videos more often. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on awesome weekly content like this. Of course, I post Tunisian tutorials on Tuesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. And don't forget to check out all my other awesome social media. I post different things on different platforms. I know Reddit, I do early releases for blog posts, and my blog, I do sometimes pattern releases, things like that. Also check out my Etsy store if you want to support the channel. That'd be great. And until next time guys, happy making.